So who is ready for the first beater box ever of the year 2020, guys? Can you believe it? We're in another decade now, 2020, and Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays is still coming back at full effect, guys. I'm feeling pretty good about this year. I don't know about you guys. Last year was insane, had a whole bunch of crazy boxes, and I'm hoping that it gets even better this year. We are actually in week 31 of Sneaker Mystery Box Friday, so it's not really like a new year for the mystery boxes, it's just a new year on the calendar. We have a dope box for you guys today. It is going to be $13.75 from Sole Supremacy. New year, same great company, guys. I'm hoping at least. Sole Supremacy is a shop out in the Bay Area of California that's been bringing us the beater boxes for like the past couple years. So I'm hoping we continue tradition and we're still doing really good with these boxes. And I want to let you guys know before we start opening up this box is that 2020 is going to be a little bit different for beater boxes. What I want to try to do is I want to try to get some people in here actually to open up boxes with me. I think that would be a little bit more fun, and it'll kind of mix up the content a little bit, and it'll show you guys the people in my life that are like, you know, interested in shoes or just have like an interesting story and stuff to tell. So I'm hoping that if we can get 4,000 likes on this video, then that might be enough to entice their girlfriend to come on as our first guest. So make sure you guys hit that like button, man. I want to see her on here. It'll be super funny. She's not really into shoes, but it'll be a cool little video. Anyway, let's open up this one, $13.75. And to start it off, we actually have a pair of the Kyrie Samurais in here, Kyrie 3 Samurais. I actually really wanted this shoe when it first came out just because, I mean, it's Asian, it's super sick, and it actually is a really nice colorway too. It does have a bread kind of look with that black, red, and white running throughout the shoe. Also, you guys can see that it does have unique characters over here, kanji it looks like, and I guess this is supposed to be like kind of like blood splatter or something, I don't know, to represent samurais. Very interesting, but I mean, it is a unique shoe, and I think this is one of the first colorways that Kyrie actually dropped for this model, so it was a really dope shoe at the time, and I don't know if I can fit a size 10, but yeah, if I can't, then this one will definitely be on the web store, untiedhawaii.com. You guys can check it out. Also, as a quick heads up, if you guys are new here, it's a new year, so I'm not sure if everybody knows what's going on in these videos, but basically what happens is that we unbox this box full of mystery sneakers, different sizes, different conditions, and we also have a counter over here to show like what the competitive market pricing for these shoes are if we clean them up and sold them today. So that is what we're looking at, just as a heads up for the new guys here. And we can actually get into the shoes with boxes now. This one is a, what? Jordan Olympia. I don't know what a Jordan Olympia is, guys. Size 9.5. That's an interesting one. What the heck is this? This is a pair of Jordan 1s. There's gotta be a replacement box, I guess, but yeah, this is a pair of Jordan 1s, and I believe this is a really old pair too. This is from 2009? This is a 10-year-old shoe, guys. 2009. I've never seen this one before. I'm not sure what the colorway is called, but this is a pretty interesting Jordan. It does look like the leather is very like texturized throughout the whole thing, and it does still feel pretty firm actually on this as well. A lot of green highlighting the rest of the shoe, green bottoms over here as well, and nothing too crazy going on, it looks like, for this one. This one is actually in a size 10 as well. I know the box said 9.5, but that's just a replacement box. This one is a size 10. I'm hoping this has good value, man. Again, I've never seen this one before, so that's a new Jordan 1 for me. Better than whatever a Jordan Olympia is. I gotta look that up. I had no idea what that is. This one looks like a Space Jam box, man. Size 10.5. This one is the older model, though I believe it's from 2009. So it is a bit older, and for the Jordan 11s, I mean, they still hold up pretty well, even if it is pretty old of a shoe. There's some slight toe box creasing over the top over here. Nothing too crazy though. And it looks like everything else is pretty solid, I would say. Bottoms are a little bit discolored and dirty, but that's to be expected when a shoe is 10 years old. But it's still a Space Jam, guys, and you guys know this is like an iconic and classic shoe, so must have for a lot of people that like this Jordan 11 model. Okay, and so over here we have a Kobe 10 box. This one is in a size 12 and it's a little bit messed up. I don't know what these are called, but this is actually a pretty sweet colorway, man. Interesting. If you guys want to check it out up close over here, this one does have like a gray texturized kind of pattern. I'm not certain what the colorway is called, but it does look like it is a very unique shoe, and I don't see too much damage on this one. The problem is that Kobe 10 models, I mean, they're not really resale kind of shoes. Maybe later down the line, but right now, I mean, the Kobe hype is not really there. But if you guys like hooping, I've heard good things about this model, so that might be a good one to check out. All right, and so we can get into some of these. This is a pair of Revenge Storms, and this one is in a size 9. And so for this one, it does look like it is brand new as well. I mean, you guys check this out. Revenge Storms, Ian Connor, guys, you guys know what it is. Has that classic lightning bolt running throughout the shoe, and also mimicked after a Vans kind of design. In terms of resale value, these things are, they're okay. I mean, in dead stock condition, it's gonna sell for a good amount, but Nothing too crazy. I wouldn't expect very much from this. However, it is a pretty dope sneaker, and when it is in dead stock form, they do sell pretty easy. And I mean, that's the thing that we're looking for with these boxes, is ease of movability and also hype, of course. So if you guys are hype over Revenge Storms, this one might be for you. Size 9. Oh, this is a unique box. I've never seen this before. It does look like another Revenge Storm, but this one is in a black box, which I didn't even know they came in black. And it does look like it has like kind of like a holographic logo over here. That's really interesting. This one is in a size 12. And for this pair, this is different. This one is different for sure, man. Yeah, I don't know about this one. It looks like the exact same shoe, but it has like, I don't know, some kind of just design on the back, like to kind of mix it up. But for the most part, it looks pretty standard. Check this out. It literally looks like the last shoe we unboxed, except this one does have designs on the back. Not sure if this is supposed to be a collab with anybody, but it does look like this one is dead stock as well. So I mean, that's a good sign too. The box is super sick. I was expecting something crazy looking. I didn't think that it would just be like a standard black pair. Kind of weird. If you guys know about this one though, feel free to comment down below and let me know what you guys know about it, because I feel like this one's supposed to be like some kind of collab or something, man. This box is too dope not for it to be like something special. All right, 2 shoes left in here. This one is a Nike SB box, and it is in a size 9.5. What do we have here? Ooh, nice. Okay, so we have a pair of the Tiffany Dunks, actually, the ones that just released, and this one is in the black colorway. This is the new version of the Tiffany Dunks. It does have that removable swoosh over here, so you guys kind of like lift it up, and also with those Tiffany laces, man, it really makes it pop. This one looks like it's in good condition. I mean, there is a good amount of toe box creasing over here. Bottom slightly dirty, but nothing too hectic. And there's a point where the resale on these models actually blew up, kind of. It was not really reselling very well, and then I guess whenever that like China stuff happened where they were doing import taxes and stuff, it kind of took off, and I'm thinking that's what happened there. I'm not sure if the market is still high for these, but definitely just a good model if you guys are into SBs. I think it's a clean design and obviously a nod to the classic Tiffany Dunk SB. So good shoe right here, guys. And so for the last shoe, man, this one, it's gonna be dope because we have a pair right here of Sean Wotherspoons, and this one is a size 10.5. That is my size. And for this one, the quality looks, how are we looking over here? How are we looking? This is actually a really clean pair, man. Huh. Crazy, because this is like all corduroy upper, so these things get destroyed real fast. This one looks pretty good though. Sean Wotherspoon Air Max 97-1. This was shoe of the year like 2 years ago. Very unique design, and it was the first time they ever used the 97 model on top of an Air Max 1 sole, so that's why Sean Wotherspoon brought it that year. Color design, obviously crazy. It does have this like Velcro thing that you can change out, and also a whole plethora of different laces for this one. It does look like it comes with a good amount of laces. I think it's missing a couple, but overall pretty dope right here. And these things still fetch very solid value, so I know at least half the price of the box is probably just from this one sneaker. So that is dope right there. Too bad I already have a pair, because if not, I definitely would have kept this one, man. This is a clean pair. And that is actually it for the box, guys. We are empty in here now. I think that was a pretty solid start to the year. Not sure, I don't know the calculations until the end of the video, but if I had to guess, I would say we did pretty well on this box. As I mentioned earlier, if you guys are interested in any of these shoes, feel free to check out untiedhawaii.com. All of the shoes are usually listed on there. If you guys don't see it on there, it probably already sold out. So sorry about that, guys, but you do have to be fast, which is why it's important to have like notifications on these videos. I usually upload around the same time every single Friday. So for the people that know, you guys have been getting the shoes like pretty much every single week. So good job on that. Again, don't forget to like this video, guys. If we get to 4,000 likes, I will do my best to convince the girlfriend to come on to unbox a beater box with me. Should be a lot of fun, man. She always kind of like gets on my case about these shoes and stuff, and I think it'll be super funny to see her reactions and stuff for the video, so make sure you guys like that. I think it'll be hilarious. As always, if you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell as well if you guys don't want to miss out on any of the content, and if you guys want to join the channel memberships, there is still time now. I believe they just implemented it on like mobile devices and stuff, so literally like if you look on your device, it will say join next to the subscribe button, so you guys can join over there. I do have a video made that shows like pretty much everything that you guys need to know about channel memberships. Main thing though is that a lot of people go for the secret drops with the channel memberships. That's where we have a whole bunch of shoes for discount prices, guys. You guys can check out a couple of the coming soon pictures that we have for some of the sneakers that are dropping in January. So the drop hasn't happened yet. It can happen at any time though, so that's why you guys need notifications on, or else you might miss it. So that's something to check out. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and as always, guys, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots.